Hello guys, and welcome back to today's video. My name is Zig, the programming guy. In today's video guys, I want to show you how to make Payoneer to be your primary payout method on TikTok. It's very easy guys. Now the first step you have to take is to make sure you've linked your Payoneer account to your TikTok app. Now once that has been done, then you can be able to do this. Now after doing that, just go open your TikTok app, click on the profile icon at the bottom of your screen, and then once you're right here, you're going to see these three lines at the top right corner. Click on that and go to settings and privacy. Now from here, click on balance, and you get this live gift option appearing right here. So go ahead and click on that. Now once you click on that, you will get your total balance on TikTok. Now I have just 1 cent on my TikTok app. Now what I have to do is click on the withdraw button. Now after clicking on the withdraw button, then I will get the option to actually change my primary payout method. Now right here, my current primary payout method is PayPal. Now I can change this PayPal to Payoneer, but like I said earlier, you have to make sure you have linked your Payoneer account to your TikTok app before, so you can be able to see it right here. So I'm just going to click on the Payoneer option right here, and once I click on the Payoneer option, then I'm going to click on the confirm button at the bottom of my screen to confirm that. Now once I tap on that, then I have successfully set the Payoneer account to be my primary payout method. Now I can go ahead and withdraw my money, but remember, you need a minimum withdrawal amount of $1 before you can be able to withdraw your money. So right now I can't be able to withdraw my 1 cent. So guys, this is how you can make Payoneer to be your primary payout method. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, give this video a like and equally subscribe to get more tips like this.